Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to close Coinbase account on your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's proceed further. In order to close or delete your Coinbase account, you won't be able to do this from your mobile application. So you would want to tap open a web browser. Since I'm using my iPhone, let me tap open Safari. In the search box, go to the URL www.coinbase.com and search. You'll end up in the official web page of Coinbase via your mobile device. Tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper right hand corner and tap the sign in button. You'll need to be logged into your Coinbase account on your web browser. Now enter your credentials, that is your email, and your password that is associated with Coinbase. Soon after you do that, tap the sign in button. Enter your verification code sent on your mobile device on the next page and tap verify. Once you're logged into your Coinbase account, tap on the hamburger menu located at the upper right hand corner from your main home page. Now click on Settings. Tap on the drop down right next to Profile and you'll be able to see other menu displayed. Select Activity from the options. Now what you'll need to do is scroll all the way down from this page. Right under Account Activity, you'll be able to see a button that says Close Account. Remember that closing a Coinbase account will ultimately close your Coinbase Pro account as well. You must have a zero balance before your account can be closed. If you still have funds in your wallet, you'll need to send them to an external wallet or a fellow Coinbase user. Tap on Close Account button and you'll receive a pop-up like this. Type in your password associated with your Coinbase account. This is to verify that it is you who's trying to close the account. And finally, tap on Close Account button. Remember to meet all of these criteria over here. In order to close your account, you must meet all of these criteria displayed over here on the page. Finally, after you are eligible for closing your account, you can see this Close My Account button pop-in up. Give it a tap, wait for a few seconds, and you'll be able to delete or close your account for Coinbase quick and easy without any kind of a delay. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.